Rich people pull the plug. So secret number 7, if you're not making money from your phone, it's using you. Your phone is either the most powerful income machine on earth or the biggest weapon keeping you broke. I went from using Instagram to scroll to using Instagram to print 128k in 30 days from a brand new Instagram account. If you're not monetizing your socials right now, you are falling behind big time. This thing in your pocket is a business or a distraction, and you get to choose. Either you post or you get posted on. Secret number 8, you're not tired, you're uninspired. I used to say I was tired after 10 hours of plumbing, but once I saw what was actually possible online, I stayed up to 3 a.m. learning funnels, offers, content, you name it. You have to want success like a starving man wants food. Grant Cardone taught me, massive actions cures everything. Stop thinking, start doing. 10x your output until success has no choice but to show up. Secret number 9, you can model what already works and win 100 times faster. I listened to the most successful people on earth, Grant Cardone, Gary Vee, Alex Hormozi, and Russell Brunson, and they all say the same thing. Model what is already proven to work. I didn't invent anything, I didn't build a software, I modeled viral videos, I modeled millionaire strategies, and I adapted them to my style. That's what I teach inside of the Quantum Leap framework in my mentorship program. You don't need to guess, you just need to copy what works and put your own little spin on it.